Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about one of the most important interview question, that is what is the smoke testing and sanity testing, and what exactly the difference between the smoke testing and the sanity testing. So smoke testing and sanity testing are both the types of the software testing used to quickly assess the stability and the basic functionality of a software application, but they serve different purposes and conducted at different stages of the software development lifecycle. So let's see what exactly the smoke testing first. So smoke testing is also known as a build verification testing. Is a typically conducted early in the software development process, often immediately after a new build or a version of the software is created. The primary purpose of the smoke testing is to verify that the most critical and essential functionalities of the application are working as expected. It is a high level, broad test that helps to ensure that the software is stable enough for the further testing. So let's understand what exactly the purpose of the smoke testing. So, its characteristic as it is performed on a new build or the version of the software, focuses on the most critical features and the basic functionality of the application, aim at quickly identify major issues or a showstoppers, and it helps in ensuring that the software is of worth further and more in a depth testing. So what exactly the examples of the smoke testing? So imagine you are working on developing a web-based e-commerce application. So let's take example of the Amazon. After a new build is created, you might perform smoke testing by doing the verify that the application's login page loads without the error. Check if the user can browse the product categories and view the product details. Ensure that the shopping cart functionality works for adding and removing items, and confirm that the checkout process initiates without the crashing. So these are the examples of the smoke testing where we are checking the basic functionalities of the application. In any of these critical functions failed during the smoke testing, it is a sign that the build is unstable and further testing should be postponed until these issues are resolved. So let's move to the sanity testing. Let's understand what exactly the sanity testing. So sanity testing, also known as a narrow regression testing, is conducted after a major code changes, bug fixes, or a new features have been added to the software. The primary goal of the sanity testing is to ensure that the specific change or fixes have been successfully implemented without introducing new issues, and the affected areas of the application still works as expected. So what exactly the characteristics of the sanity testing? Let's understand that. It focuses testing on a specific areas or features affected by the recent changes, typically performed after the code changes or bug fixes or a features addition. Ensure that the modification did not break the existing functionality. Less extensive than the smoke testing and other types of testing, and used to verify that the software remains as it is after the changes. That means there are no new issues are introduced after the changes. So let's understand some examples of the sanity testing. We will again take the same example of the e-commerce application. So let's take again the example of the Amazon website. Suppose the development team has just fixed a critical bug related to the checkout process. In this case, the sanity testing would involve the following steps. So verify that the checkout process, which was previously failing, now works without error. Confirm that the issue addressed by the bug fix is indeed resolved. And we need to check other related functionalities such as payment processing and order confirmation. So sanity testing helps ensure that the recent code changes did not introduce new issues and that's the application core functionality remain intact. So let's quickly understand what exactly the difference between the smoke testing and the sanity testing. So smoke testing is a performed to ensure that the critical functionality of the program is a working fine, and sanity testing is a done to check the new functionality or the bugs have been fixed. The objective of the smoke testing is to verify that the stability of the system in order to proceed with the more deep testing, and the objective of the sanity testing is to verify the rationality of the system in order to proceed with more deep testing. The smoke testing is performed by the developers and the tester, and smoke testing is usually documented and the scripted. So for the smoke testing, we usually have the test cases written. And for the sanity testing is usually performed by the tester, and sanity testing is usually not documented and it is unscripted. Smoke testing is a subset of the regression testing, and sanity testing is a subset of the acceptance testing. And smoke testing exercise the entire system from end to end, and sanity testing exercise only the particular component of the entire system. So, in summary, smoke testing is performed early in the development process to quickly assess the overall stability of the software, while the sanity testing is conducted after specific changes or fixes to verify that they did not adversely affect the existing functionality. Both types of testing are essential for maintaining the software quality and stability. So that's it for the today, guys. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the regression testing and the retesting. So thank you for watching today's video and have a nice day.